Do you know many people are having trouble with resetting the red warning light on their Whirlpool WRS571CIHZ refrigerator? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate water filter. Locate the water filter in the top right corner of the refrigerator compartment. Step 2. Open filter cover. Lift open the filter cover door to release and eject the filter. Step 3. Remove old filter. Pull the filter straight out when the door is completely open. Step 4. Prepare new filter. Take the new filter out of its packaging, remove the cap, and ensure the O-rings are in place. Step 5. Insert new filter. Align the new filter with the filter housing, slide it into place with the arrow pointing up, and close the filter cover door completely. Step 6. Reset filter light. Press and hold the FILTER button for 3 seconds to reset the filter status light. After following these steps, the red warning light on your Whirlpool WRS571CIHZ should be successfully reset. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Whirlpool users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.